What is up, you guys? Roshan here. If you have done your engineering, you probably have heard of this term called FAANG, which is Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about my journey of how I went from being an electrical engineer to a business analyst at FAANG. Now, before we begin, working at a FAANG firm is not a goal that I would recommend everyone to have. It was just one of the goals that I had in college. So yeah, let's get started. During the fourth year of engineering, that's when companies come to campus to recruit students. And even though I wanted to work at one of the top firms that came to campus, I ended up getting a job as a business analyst in a consulting firm in Bangalore. So I moved to Bangalore in 2019 and started work. So my role at the consulting firm mainly involved helping clients with generating CRM campaigns and CRM strategies for their customers. From a technical standpoint, I was mainly managing all of the data and also creating reports from the data. Now, to extract the data, we use a language called SQL. I did also have to use Python, R, and dashboarding tools like Tableau. So Python and R was used to build data models, and Tableau was used to build live dashboards for both my manager and my clients. Now, at that point in time, I didn't really realize it, but working on these specific tool set really gave me an edge over my other candidates when I applied. It took about 2 months for the resume shortlist to happen. And after the resume shortlist, there were 5 interviews, 2 of which were around my technical skills, and the other 3 were around my personality and my resume. So the first technical interview was mainly around SQL. So I had 5 problems to solve. I had to share my screen and show how I was solving each problem. And the problems were mainly around SQL joins. They were a little bit tricky, but whenever I got stuck, the interviewer did give me slight hints here and there, so thank you for that. The second interview was mainly around the technical projects that I had written on my resume, and the interviewer was also interested in the data modeling skills that I had. The other 3 interviews were more around my personality. Thankfully, that went okay-ish as well. Finally, after about 4-5 months, I got the mail with the confirmation of the job. Alright, so that was basically my journey of how I moved from being an electrical engineering graduate to working at FAANG. Thank you guys for watching. Click here to watch another video. Click here to subscribe. We'll see you in the next. Peace.